There's so many different innovative ways that Meridian has changed the model in a way that people will be studying, I think, for years to come.
It's not just about what the organization has done and the impact that the organization has made. It's about the individual and what they're able to do and say and feel, and that ripple effect that builds out.
Through Hank's leadership here at Meridian, it has expanded the scope of services and the depth of those services in a community that we know needs access to those broader services.
What I've always appreciated about Hank is just his vision and being thoughtful about how to constructively lead an organization through challenges.
Hank has been one of the strongest, loudest, maybe earliest voices for decreasing the stigma around mental health and making sure that we talk about it in a way that's fully integrated with the overall health and well-being.
The organization was one where I think the community was pleased, and we didn't realize that there was more that we could and should be doing.
The real aha moment is behavioral health is being undertreated in primary care settings, and behavioral health patients are not getting their needs addressed.
Hank was able to come in and say, I think it's great that we're looking at the mental health of individuals, but what about the holistic person?
Recognizing that it's physical health, it's mental health. To be successful, to build a healthy individual, to build a healthy community, we have to take a holistic and comprehensive approach to health as well.
20 years ago, we had what we thought we needed, and yes, we did do that, and we did that very well. But now in 2023, we're where we need to be, and it's because of the leadership that we have.
I really do think what's been built here is a blueprint that will be used elsewhere in Indiana and probably across the country. It really will improve the lives of patients and their families for generations to come. I don't know that in my mind I could even sort of separate the spirit of Meridian from Hank.
You're the epitome of that with what you have done with your direction and encouragement, as well as all of your care team members that work with you here at Meridian to push us to become more than what we were.
Collaboration, patient-centered care, innovation. I think Hank, all of those things, he embodies those.
He is an exemplar of the impact that you can have on your organization, and perhaps even more importantly, the impact that your organization can have on the people who work in the organization and the people in the communities that you serve.
To honor him and to recognize him for this award is really a no-brainer for the work that he's done, for the philosophy that he's brought into our community, and for the legacy that he is going to leave for Meridian Health Services.
Quite frankly, I hope Meridian 10, 20 years from now is something I don't recognize. I hope I look at Meridian and say, wow, I didn't think of that. Is that cool or what?
There's going to be another level. What is it? I don't know, but a new person is going to come in and take Meridian even higher to another level of what this community needs and what the state of Indiana needs.
Meridian really has that in its favor, that he has allowed strong leaders to develop around him that share that same mission. So I think it's a really bright future even as Hank steps away.
I think the only thing that I got right in my tenure, hiring smarter people than me all around me. Let's not kid ourselves. Let's not doubt ourselves that a small group of people can change the world in many respects.